Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you screen mirror Android phone to TV. So there are two ways. Now the first one is just swipe down from here and there is a toggle that called cast. Just click on it. Now just give all the permission it required. And make sure your location is turned on and go to cast. Now here you can see the TV is showing. Just select the TV and your Android phone will be connected to your TV. There is another way. Just go to Play Store in your device and just install this app, Screen Mirroring Casto. Now just go to this app. Now here you can see select TV, just click on it. Now just connect it to this TV and your Android device will be showing in your TV. So guys, that's how you can screen mirror on TV. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.